Did you ever thought about how you cook with just a tap or by talking? Check out these cool cooking assistant gadgets in 2025 that'll make cooking quicker, smarter, and a lot more fun. Stick around to see what gadgets comes next. Smart Air Fryer. The Smart Air Fryer is a health-focused tool that uses quick heat circulation to cook fast, crispy meals using much less oil, perfect for healthier and faster cooking. It comes with app control, lots of preset cooking options, exact temperature checks, and some models you can recharge. You can set it up how you like. It's easy to clean and does many things. It costs between $100 and $200. Smart Coffee Maker. The Smart Coffee Maker links to your timetable and lets you control it with your voice, making coffee brewing easy. It connects via Bluetooth, works with a smart app, checks brew strength, and has rechargeable batteries. It's great for hectic mornings, giving you the same personalized coffee each time. Just speak to start it up. Prices run from $150 and $400. Smart Oven. The Smart Oven is a linked kitchen tool that spots different foods and tweaks cooking settings. It keeps the heat just right for perfect baking and roasting. It has wireless hookup, sends app alerts, and checks room temperature. This means you can cook from afar, saving power too. It costs anywhere from $300 and $1,000. Let's take a break. We've explored Smart Air Fryer, Smart Coffee Maker, and Smart Oven. Which one do you think is a must-have for the kitchen? Share your precious thoughts in the comments. Digital Cooking Thermometer. The Digital Cooking Thermometer is a quick and exact tool perfect to check temperatures of meat, candy, and baked goods. It has Bluetooth, a big LCD screen, sensors for room temperature, and batteries you can recharge. People like it because it's fast, correct, useful for many things, and easy to read. It costs between $25 and $75. Smart Refrigerator. The Smart Fridge comes with Wi-Fi, cameras inside to track food in real time, sensors that measure room temperature, and an app that gives you ideas for meals. This helps you plan what to cook and wastes less food. These fridges cost between $1,500 and $3,000. They're great for keeping things tidy, checking on your fridge from afar, and using less power, making them a game changer in the kitchen. AI Recipe Assistant. AI recipe helpers are clever apps or devices that give you personalized meal ideas based on what food you have. They use AI to make suggestions and can sync with other devices. They're ideal to get quick meal ideas, use up food before it goes bad, and handle special diets. You can get them for free or up to $50. They offer imaginative, user-friendly, and tailored cooking help that saves time and gets you to try new things in the kitchen. We successfully reached 6 gadgets. Thanks for your support. For us, it's all about giving you the values, not just chasing views. Mobile Controlled Air Fryer. The air fryer you can control with your phone lets you adjust heat and cooking time from afar using a smart app that connects via Bluetooth. It has a battery you can recharge, so you can use it anywhere in your house. People love it because it's handy, cooks food just right, and lets different users save their own settings. It costs between $120 and $250, making it a handy and easy to use kitchen tool. Connected Kitchen Faucet. The Connected Kitchen Faucet has voice and app control to manage water flow and temperature well. It uses wireless tech and temperature sensors. This faucet is great for hands-free cooking prep and saving water. It helps with cleanliness and is easy to use. Prices range from $200 to $600. AI Integrated Range Hood. The AI Integrated Range Hood changes ventilation based on stove use. It uses wireless link smart sensors and app alerts for smooth air quality control. It costs between $300 and $800. This hood runs and saves energy. It makes cooking better while cutting down on noise and power use. Finally, we're near the end. I hope you liked the information we shared with you. Smart Food Scale. The Smart Food Scale links to an app through Bluetooth to monitor nutrition and recipe amounts accurately. This makes it great for watching your diet and cooking with precision. It costs between $30 and $100 and gives detailed info about nutrients. It's easy to use for making meals with health in mind. Smart Toaster. The Smart Toaster connects to an app via Bluetooth. It lets you choose how toasted you want your bread, set programs, and control it in real time. This means you get perfect toast every time. It costs between $80 and $150. It brings these reliable results and a cool interface to family breakfasts and rush mornings. Thanks for checking out these innovative cooking assistant gadgets with us. Make sure you don't miss future gadgets advice. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.